Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about Gram Ujjwala scheme. And in this session, we'll first discuss a background about Gram Ujjwala scheme, and then we'll discuss key highlights of the scheme, and then we'll see what are the significance of this particular scheme, and then we'll discuss the financing mechanism of Gram Ujjwala scheme. And there is one Ujjwala scheme. We'll finally discuss few points about Ujjwala scheme also. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. Guys, Gram Ujjwala program was recently launched in Ara, which is in Bihar, and under the program, 7 watts and 12 watt LED bulbs with 3 years warranty will be given to rural consumers against submission of working incandescent bulbs. And LEDs will be available for only rupees 10 each for each household, and each household will get up to 5 LEDs. So that is the gist of the program. And now we'll discuss what are the key highlights of Gram Ujjwala scheme. The key highlights are, as we discussed, the scheme has been launched for rural households where the LED bulbs will be given at an affordable price of rupees 10, and the government scheme has already crossed around 7,000 distribution mark in Ara, which is in Bihar, only within 2 days of its launch. And under the Gram Ujjwala scheme, 12 watt bulbs and 7 watt bulbs with a warranty of 3 years will be given to rural consumers once they submit the incandescent bulbs, and the scheme will be implemented only in villages of 5 districts where the beneficiary will be able to exchange a maximum of 5 LED bulbs. And the rural households under the program will have meters installed in their houses in order to monitor the number of hours of usage. And under the Shine program of activities, carbon credits will be prepared. There will be an option for verifying under the voluntary carbon standard, which will depend on the need of the buyers. So that are the key highlights of the scheme. Now we discuss what are the significance of this particular scheme. The scheme will help in promoting a better standard of life, more economic activity, financial savings, and better safety for the rural citizens of India. And under the scheme, CFL, that is compact fluorescent lamp, and incandescent bulbs of rural consumers will be taken back, and new LED bulbs will be provided. And the scheme has been financed entirely through carbon credits. We will see that in detail. And this scheme will be claiming the carbon credits under United Nations Clean Development Mechanism (CDM). And according to official release, under phase 1 of the scheme, 1.5 crore LED bulbs will be distributed, which will have a significant effect on country's climate change action energy savings of 2025 million kilowatt hour per year, as well as the carbon dioxide reductions of 1.65 million tons carbon dioxide per year. So that is about the significance. And India is a leading country in energy transition and energy efficiency, as the scheme has been particularly designed for rural homes, keeping affordability in planning. It will also result in the savings of 12 watt LED bulb will give equivalent light as of 100 watt incandescent bulb. So that will be the difference it is going to make. And now we'll discuss in particularly about the financing mechanism of the scheme. This program will be financed entirely through carbon credits and will be the first such program in India. The revenue earned from carbon credits will contribute rupees 60 per LED bulb piece, with the balance rupees 10 to be paid by rural consumer. And carbon credit are certificates generated by projects or activities that reduce, avoid, or destroy greenhouse gases. And project owners such as solar and wind energy developers or protectors of endangered forest lands can sell these certificates to an individual or a company to earn revenues to keep expanding their projects in future. And when one purchases carbon offsets, one is funding the reduction of or elimination of carbon. Further on, carbon credit documentation will be sent to United Nations accredited validators for inclusion into Shine program of activities. And carbon credits will be prepared under the Shine program of activities with an option for verifying under voluntary carbon standard depending on the need of the buyers. And carbon credit buyers will also be sought through an open process based on initial discussion with the market. So that is the financing mechanism. And the parent scheme is Ujjwala scheme, which is a very famous scheme. It is in action since 2015, I guess, 5 years or so. And we'll discuss a few points on that also. Ujala is Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all, that is Ujjala, and there is one more scheme called LED Street Lighting National Program. Both schemes have been spearheaded by and implemented by Energy Efficiency Services Limited, which is a joint venture of PSUs under Ministry of Power. And these programs have bagged global awards like South Asia Procurement Innovation Award, CIOT 100 Award 2019, and the Global Solid State Lighting Award of Excellence, etc. And under it, under the Ujjwala scheme, 36 crores LEDs have been distributed, as well as 1.15 crores street lights have been replaced with LED lights all over the country. And the step resulted in energy savings of thousands of megawatts. So that is particularly about this Gram Ujjwala scheme and Ujjwala scheme, guys. It's a very important scheme. Expected question in prelims examination. So please study about this in detail. Thank you for watching this lesson. We will meet tomorrow with another topic.